Going on, guys? This is Nick. We're gonna talk about AUs, pretty much what they're used for, how to use them, when's a good and what's a bad time to add them. Pretty much give you the whole rundown of the game on how I use them, how I use it for my clients. So let's go ahead and get into it. What AU is an authorized user account. It's really cool. You can add, your cousin, spouse, friend, pretty much add anybody's AU on a credit card. Um, People that sell AUs, things like that. How you want to use AUs? You want to use AUs when your credit's clean. No baddies, no collections, no late pays, no inquiries. Nothing of that nature. You want to make sure credit is as squeaky clean as humanly possible. Um, if not, you won't receive the best results. I'll give you a perfect example. A friend of mine a couple years ago, I added him to one of my PenFed cards. That was when I was just starting the credit repair process on him. He didn't see that much of a boost when I added it on there. He had like a year or something of history, not too much, but he didn't really see too much of the upside of AU simply because his credit wasn't clean. As opposed to if I was to add that credit card at the end of this process when his credit was clean, that's probably when he would have seen the best results possible. Also, as people that sell you AUs during the middle of your credit repair process, which I feel is the biggest waste of time, and then they don't really educate you on what your file needs to be how your file needs to look, and how it needs to be set up in order to receive any type of funding. I had a guy the other day asked me to analyze his credit report. Took a look at it. I'm like, man, you got some good scores, man. It's like a 765 and 763 on TransUnion and Experian. And I'm taking a look. I'm like, man, why is your Equifax still in the fives? He wasn't done the credit repair process. Pretty much asked me, why I can't get approved for credit cards. My Experian and my TransUnion, I'm like, bro, all you have is authorized users. You need more primaries. You need like a modulars or self-lenders, something to beef up that file. Other than that, man, you're just wasting your money and wasting your time with authorized users. Like, it's like, bro, he pretty much just conned you. It's pretty crazy. Um, Another buddy of mine paid somebody to add AUs to his file. The AUs was like 50%, almost maxed out. I was able to still get him funding, but it was a stretch. Just stuff like that. There's so much stuff that people do. Um, to really trying to get a dollar, and that's not what you want to do when you're looking for somebody who sells AUs. You want to make sure that the credit limits are low, the history is long, and the limits are high. You don't want a fly by night person. If you call them and they pick up, then that's more than likely the person that you want to go with. Other than that, that's really just my little quick thoughts on authorized users. Um, Really beneficial, especially when your credit's clean. You're trying to get that financing for like a business, or you're trying to get some cards to use and like use that for travel, different stuff like that. It's pretty dope. I really have no issues with AUs. For anybody using it, um, just use it strategically and be smart about it, especially with who you're dealing with. Other than that, if you want to add authorized users, you got clean credit, you just want some high scores to get a house and different things like that, shoot, I say go for it. I'm about to add some AUs on my profile to get some PG business cards, but that's just me. I got a couple of deals I got to close on, and I need some funding. So anyway, this is Nick. Go ahead and check the link in the description. My site is up. I know people been asking me that for a minute, but you can go ahead and look at my site. It's up. Also, you can check out my ebooks on Fiverr.com. They're like $10. Not expensive. They're not the 609 templates that you get from like a Facebook group. I put my time and effort with another buddy of mine. We actually sit down and wrote these. So please like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for more videos. I'm trying to drop as much knowledge as possible. So please be on the lookout for that. All right, guys, have a good one.